Welcome. In front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. So to get started, hold the power key and then select power off. And when the device shuts off, you then want to hold the power key and volume up. Hold both of those keys till you see the boot mode. And there we go. So in this mode, you will use volume up to navigate, and you have only three options. So you have recovery mode, which will take you to the recovery mode, fast boot mode, it will launch fast boot mode, and then normal boot, which goes back to Android. So whatever you select, you then want to confirm it with volume down. So I'm gonna go with normal boot to leave this mode, and press volume down. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.